Xander has managed to attain the cart while we are here at Hannaford. I need to get out my list. This thing is so hard to steer. So this is happening. Xander and I were washing our feet in the sink, and I said to him, I was like, do you remember when you used to like sit in the sink when I would do the dishes? So this happened. That's the drain plug. I didn't bring my phone outside, but we were just starting to tear down the garden for the season, and we were digging up some carrots, and he did such a good job. So next time I will definitely bring out my camera so that I will get him using the shovel and pulling up carrots, because that was awesome. What are we having with dinner tonight?
Pot pie.
Well, we're having pot pie later on this week. I was tempted to make it tonight, but I love it that much. I want to savor it in a few days. No, we're having the fresh fruits. Fresh fruits. Fresh fruits.
Bad beans.
Yes, fresh fruits. Came to get Matt in Augusta, and I had some coupons to McDonald's, and Xander's having his first Happy Meal. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
First Happy Meal.
I can't believe it. Loving it. Look, it came in this cool bucket. You can bring this to Halloween with Yaya at the party, at the Halloween party. Are we going to come to that next Friday? It'll be fun. It was fun last year. This is like a huge treat. We never come here, but I had the coupons. So it's like whatever. Anyway. Oh, you sharing your juicy with me, or did I not give it to you? So cool. Meow. I like the robot.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. There's another something somewhere. Oh no. Oh yeah, it was the car right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's cool.
Oh,
That one looks like the spiral staircase. What is it? That's, oh my gosh, look at this spider web all wet. That looks so cool. Oh, you can't really see it. Kind of. Yeah, there it is. Cool. Busy, busy, busy day. Busy day on a beautiful day. Busy, busy on a beautiful day. Busy, busy, busy on a beautiful day. Did you hear me?
busy day. What?
Yeah, well, it's busy on a beautiful day. Hi, love.
Well, yeah,
What's
it's a
going on,
beautiful day,
guys?
That's why it's busy.
Yeah. We can't talk. All of us were wearing stripes the other day, and it wasn't even really on purpose. The ocean looks so pretty with all the leaves changing.
I know.
We're so fortunate to live here.
Oh, dude.
I wonder what happened over there. Trash! Xander has gotten to the age where he loves piggybacks. He's so cute. And he looks like Such a little skater kid today. He's got like a backwards hat, like skinny jeans, and like a white tee. Wow, look how pretty it is. It feels like it's 100 degrees out right now. The sun is so bright. Xander wore his first pair of Holy socks today because this morning I just thought it would be kind of cute if he wore a pair of Holy socks for some reason. And I was like, he can wear them this last time and then we'll throw them out. Because it's just like funny, Holy socks. I mean, I can't believe he's got a sock that has a hole in it. But anyway, we are just hanging out, doing some puzzles. Marianne, my visiting nurse, is coming tonight. So I'm hoping she's able to bring the Doppler so that Xander can hear the baby's heartbeat. I'm really hoping that I was able to. I should have said it earlier, but I didn't even think of it. Ooh, yeah, that's the stethoscope. Do you want to try to listen to the baby? Want me lay down? Ugh. Are you going to try to listen for the baby? Did you want to put it on? Oh, I'm going to steal a bite of your apple. Which was my apple. And then he stole it from me. Oh, good job. Want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. Dr. Xander. Dr. Xander.
Listen, baby.
Yeah, you hear the baby's heartbeat?
Yeah.
This is so funny. Look at you. You got the stethoscope on my belly and everything.
All done.
All done.
More?
More? Okay. How's baby doing?
Good.
Good? I'm glad. The baby is doing good, he says. Uh-oh, it fell. There it is. Good job.
All done.
All done. So this just happened. May not look like a lot. But for me and my anxiety, I'm like, ah!
Let's do back.
That's the VW bus!
Open doors.
Which door are you trying to open? Remember, that side I don't think opens. I think it's the other side that opens.